Hey everyone, my name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and in this video, we're gonna quickly go over what we did on this project right here behind me. So this client reached out to us because they have large windows on the side of their house that get hit throughout the entire day with a lot of sunlight. But the major thing that they wanted to focus on is two things: UV protection, and they wanted to focus on its heat reduction. But they wanted to keep the look of the home exactly the same. They wanted to reduce very little light. They actually wanted majority of the light to come in because that's why they bought this house. They loved how the windows were so big, it let in all the light and it filled up the room. So in this specific project, we installed a 50% clear ceramic window film. Now this window film is perfect for this project because it reduces 99.9% of the harmful UV rays. So what that means is this client has expensive paintings, rugs, couches, all their furniture. They've invested a lot in it, and so they want to protect the colors of that furniture. And unfortunately, here in Houston, when the sun comes through the window and hits your furniture, paintings, rugs, over time, because of the UV rays, it will damage and discolor them. So they wanted to help protect that, which is why we chose a clear ceramic film, a high performance film. But we also chose a ceramic film because unlike other films that you have to go very dark to reduce heat, a ceramic film is a high performance film that even though it's 100% clear, you do not notice a difference on the outside or the inside of a window that is tinted and not tinted. It's still gonna reduce over 52% of the heat getting inside. So it's pretty much gonna cut the heat in half, which was another problem that this client was having during the daytime. Since their windows were so big and the sun was coming through them, a lot of times it was too much for the AC to keep up with, so it just got warm pretty quickly even though they put the AC very low. So overall, we just wanted to show you what we did on this project just so you can get a good idea of a film that's not only clear, that's not going to be noticeable on the inside or outside and let in all the natural light, but it's great for maximum UV protection and maximum heat rejection for something that is this clear. And of course, because it is a ceramic window film, a high performance window film, this window film also comes with a lifetime warranty. So that means once it's installed, if it ever peels, bubbles, or fades, here at Dark Shade Window Tint, we cover that free of charges forever. So after watching this video, hopefully you got a better understanding of what a clear ceramic film looks like on the inside and outside, but most importantly, the real benefits of getting that specific film for your home window tinting project. So if you have any questions or you'd like a free quote or even free samples shipped out directly to you, below there's gonna be a link that you can go over to, and once you click on that link, you can fill out a form and you could speak with our representatives and they'll be more than happy to ship you out samples. Or if you just want a quote for your project, we could definitely schedule that in person or over the phone. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next project.